Hello, business owners, entrepreneurs, managing partners, CEOs. Here is a problem that we have been seeing a lot over the last couple of years. And this is when a company crosses over the $2 million a year in revenue. The way that you handle financial data when you're a smaller company doesn't work when you cross that threshold. And here's what I'm talking about. Generally, when you're $0 to $2 million a year in sales, you'll just hire like a bookkeeper or a bookkeeping firm, and they could easily manage your finances because the level of complexity is low. But once you cross over about that 2 million and you run from about 2 million up to about 15 million, we start to see multiple systems coming into play. We start to see the compliance issues becoming more difficult. Then you've got all this operations stuff like managing employees and dealing with the 401k plan, dealing with health insurance, dealing with more vendors, dealing with more customers, invoicing becomes more complex, etc. And that model of having a single full charge bookkeeper or a single accountant running everything for you starts to break down. We see it quite a lot. By the way, I own a 20-person accounting firm. Over the last 2 years, we've successfully helped 150 businesses set up, run, and fix their accounting departments. We're growing quite quickly because we're coming across this problem more and more. And there's a couple of reasons why I see it happening. One, even if you just have a really good person, as you kind of cross over the threshold into complexity and you start to have multiple systems, maybe you got one system for project management, one system for invoicing, then something else to do your bookkeeping. Even if you got a really good accounting person, they might not be a systems or a software person. And they might be old school, they might be used to doing things a certain way. And when you start to grow and evolve, they have a hard time keeping up. That'd be one issue. Another issue is also that no matter how good somebody is, life happens. And if you just have this one person and they get sick, or a parent gets sick, or they get a divorce or whatever, that can start to impact you. And if you don't have any redundancy in your operation, that can start to cause some real issues as well. And the bad part about that is you as the business owner or the boss end up a lot of times taking on the responsibility for managing the finances because this one person is out, and that can start to really mess up your life in a lot of different ways. So what we've come up with as a result, and again, this is boots on the ground, roll up our sleeves. We're dealing with entrepreneurs and business owners all day, every day, day in and day out. We've come up with a solution that will give you a full service accounting department complete with staff accountants, payroll and sales tax specialists, fractional controller, and then we even have enough bandwidth to also bring in a technology and software specialist onto your account, all for less than the price of a single full-time in-house employee. We don't take any days off because you have multiple people working on your account, so there's redundancy. Doesn't matter if someone gets sick because there's people to back them up. We don't participate in the 401k plan. We won't leave your company for a better job if somebody offers to pay us more. There's a lot of benefits, and you get guaranteed quality at a price that's better than probably what you're already thinking that you might be having to pay. If you want to click through here and check out our contact form or schedule a free consultation, no pressure. We're low pressure people, but we love to help out entrepreneurs. I'm a business owner myself. I know how hard it is to build and run a business, and we take it very seriously. That's why we've grown by more than 400% over the last 2 years, because we get it. We understand entrepreneurship and we understand how hard it is to run a business. It's our job to support you and help you out and eliminate stress and help you make more money. All right. So if you want to click through, I will also mention two other things. I know this is a long video, but I'll mention two other things. First thing, we only take on generally 5 new clients a month, and usually usually we get filled up within the first week of every new month. So if you are interested in learning more about this team-based approach to accounting and how we can give you a full service accounting department for less than the price of a single in-house employee, I would highly recommend that you get in touch as soon as you can so we can have a discussion and see if there's a fit there, especially if you need somebody quickly. Second piece is, with all of our engagements, we offer a complimentary cost reduction service, and we can do that for you even if you don't want our accounting. But we do a complimentary cost reduction service that a lot of times saves our clients maybe 60 or 70% of their entire accounting bill each month. And we do that by helping you renegotiate certain rates with your vendors. So please click through. I'd love to just meet you. Like I said, I'm a business owner, so business owner to business owner, I respect and admire entrepreneurs so much. And all you got to do is click through, submit the contact form, and we can talk. And if we talk, it'll just be consultative. If it turns out you want to do business with us, that'd be great. If not, at least maybe I can point you in the right direction or give you some free advice based on what we've gone through setting up over 150 accounting departments. And our focus is companies with $2 million to $15 million a year in sales. All right. Thank you for taking the time. Please click through. I'd love to meet you and I'd love to hear from you. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.